Science with me, science with me. Come, let's do some science with me.
Sound is waves of energy that travel through the air. So when my daddy talks to me, vibrations fly everywhere. It's vibrating air that travels fast and lands outside my ear before it starts along its path, so I hear things loud and clear. First is my outer ear, or pinna. My ear canal is second in line. Next, the vibrations jump and run on my eardrum, which works just fine. And when my eardrum starts to shake, the three bones in my middle ear, the hammer, anvil, and stirrup quake. Yup, they all help me to hear. My cochlea's in my inner ear. It looks like a snail shell. I also have semicircular canals in there. Yup, they also help me hear quite well. The liquid in my inner ear keeps me standing straight and tall. But if I spin this liquid round, I'll get dizzy and I'll fall. And when this liquid rattles the nerves, which are in there too, just hanging around, they send tons of signals to my brain. Then I hear all kinds of sound. Because my brain translates for me the words my dad just said, I understand him perfectly. It's time to go to bed.